Christmas.
Why? Why?
I don't know. I'm glad I came with thermal paste because I can't find mine right now. Stupid cords at the bottom. A plus. Ooh, I can't see nothing in my glasses. Remove, remove. This has got to be the world's toughest sticker. There. I've never done this before. I'm sorry. There's a lot more blade or fan blades than my original has. I don't want to speak.
Why not?
I don't know what to talk about.
Hey.
Take my awesome stuff out. Like this. Nothing broke.
You hope.
Yeah. I need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Did you get it?
Yes.
Yes. That was close. Got it? You didn't see my leg, did you?
No.
Because I was doing poses.
I don't think I did anyway.
Okay. I gotta clean this out before I put stuff in it.
What do you mean?
I want to take my RAM out. Can I take my RAM out?
No, because then you have to get the police here.
Oh yeah, escort me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Taking the stick out. No, I don't want to do that actually. Yes, I gotta take it out because now it's got a receipt. Oh no. Mayday. That scared me so bad. Alright, now I gotta try and get this fan out. Man, that was way easier than it was last time taking this. I gotta get to the backside of it. No. What just fell? I'm sorry, I'm kind of covering this up, am I?
Yeah.
It'll live here. I need a screwdriver again. Ready?
Yeah. Touchdown.
Touchdown.
You sound like a goat.
Like the screaming one? Secrets! Opera. Scary pot. Knick, knick.
Paul.
Did you say Paul?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not Dr. Paul. Maybe I'll get the old parts out. So I don't lose them later. I didn't know I left those in there. I already forgot. It's called short-term memory. For those of you that do not know what Vetro is, it is a place where you can buy some awesome looking PC cases along with coolers, power supplies, and more fun accessories. This case Montec came busted. These free fans in the font. The lights don't work. No. And the fan hub. No, it broke. It became broke. Yes.
Whose fault is that?
Show me. Show my face. The company. It wasn't me actually.
Who's the company?
Montec!
It doesn't say there.
Yes, it does.
Oh.
Yes, it does. And it says on the fan, dork. Oh, fat fingers went in the way. What else? Oh yeah, we go. Plug it in. Plug it in.
Again,
I gotta
big
see
fat
it.
head.
What's it look like? Can you see my eyeballs yet?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, you can see through the
I can
glasses.
see the DNA. I don't know.
Really?
I'm sorry, I can't see. see the front now.